subscribe right now. Alright, look, so my love life sucks. I've been trying to find love, you feel me? Like, girl after girl, games after games. These hoes really ain't shit. Damn. So quite frankly, I gave up until last week. My friends convinced me to download a dating app, but not just any dating app, Hinge. So Hinge is a dating app made to find love, but hopefully delete the app altogether. So, you know me, I downloaded the app, made a profile, bagged me a shorty, asked her on a date, and here we go. I'm kind of nervous 'cause I don't do this, but I'ma go and hopefully I find love. And if she let me, I'ma eat it. Like the food. Like, come on, y'all, chill out. But before you do that, make sure you go subscribe to my page, like, leave a comment, and that's it. Go ahead. You ready? All right, let's go. All right, how you doing? Gang. What's up? I got you, bro. I got you. Stop it. That.
The waiver that's saying if you die, you can't sue you.
Oh, I'm suing.
But, I mean, you're going to be dead, so your family can't sue.
Okay, type shit.
You doing a documentary?
Yeah, about my life, you know, all my life. Hopefully I'll survive this. I'll be okay.
So where you left at it, you want to put your thumb on the spine of the axe.
Okay.
Put your right foot forward.
Okay.
As you throw, you want to follow the motion of it and make sure the axe is straight when you throw.
Okay.
So as you throw it, you're ready to release it, you want to flip it so you can carry the rest of the way.
Okay.
But realistically, it's not a lot of effort. You just be comfortable with it. And it can land pretty easily.
Okay.
Skills. Whole time though, bro, low key trash. Ain't gonna lie to you. Boy, I tell you.
Peer pressure. I don't like it. It's the pressure.
No, you good. One more time. Dude, go. Hey, okay.
With this.
You trying to fuck my bitch, bro. Ain't gonna lie to you. Good job. No, good job.
Do I go get you or are you?
I won't be.
Man, look, I believe in you, girl. Oh, close. Oh, snap. Bro, you said my ass? I heard you said my ass. I heard you. Yo, you said my ass, bro. I didn't get a kiss, though, when we came in here.
What?
Oh, okay. I tried it.
Because my knee bumped your knee?
Nah.
Wow, you are really deprived. I was going to rub your shoulder, but I don't want to get in a
I feel like outcast. Ain't gonna lie to you.
Why you say that? Because
We black, they all white. White people, Hispanics, black people over here. And it's kind of like racist. You think kind of like racist?
you know what kind of makes me feel a certain type of way?
It should.
Literally all the black people here are in the cage.
That's fuzzy. And
We're all in the cage.
he's still sorry. He missed that again. So I don't get it. He lied. He a cap.
in the cage.
Yeah. We all in the cage. Oh, we're all in the cage. Bro, we in the cage, bro. Think about that shit.
All of us. They got us all in the cage.
We in the cage right now. You get it?
Literally, all the black people are in the cage right now.
He thought he like, nah, I don't know.
Oh, shit. I didn't get one over here.
Trying to smack. Trying to smack.
Okay, so.
Woo!
No. So look, in the center of it.
What?
See what I'm saying?
With call me Bay. No, call me Bay.
I don't want to take that. I don't want to take that.
What you call me?
Call me back.
Call me Bay, my name though. That's lit. That's so lit.
And I feel like you should have put some respect on my name and capitalize the D.
Type shit.
Here, I got you.
Nah, man. Fuck that shit, cause you said D and you with a small D. Oh, sorry. I'll play. No, it's big D's, right? Big D's up.
I like big D.
The double D's? I feel like right now the date going great. It's going great. The date going good. She likes me. She's feeling me. She's vibing with me. You know what I mean? Hopefully, before the date over with, I can smash. Like, that's the whole plan. Like, nigga, no. You feel me? So, I'm gonna see what's going on because she's feeling great. You know what I mean? She's dancing. You feel me? Body looking good. Okay.
No, I have to explain the games.
Okay, cool.
So whichever lane I have to line up, if you throw it right here, it's counted as a lane.
It makes four.
No.
Really?
What?
Connect 4.
type shit.
Connect 5, technically, right? It's Connect 5, really.
Type four.
That's how the game works because you need space there.
Oh, so you only connect 4.
I do. I think she's slow a little bit, okay?
It's just like.
She's a little
But,
slow, though.
I mean, if we were going to play the traditional Connect 4 way, I mean...
Hey, look, she cute, but she dumb, okay? She real cute, but dumb. Connect 4 now, you know what I mean? Connect 4 with the X's, you feel me? So, bam, how I want to win? I'm going to win it. No matter how it happens. If I win, you want me to kiss? If you win, I owe you nothing but a hug.
Okay.
Cool? Bam! We'll see. Why you single?
Because in real life, I've been in 2 what I consider real relationships.
Okay. Oh my God! I don't care. Why the fuck I asked that dumbass question for? Huh? Like, what? Oh my God. Let's fast forward this a little bit. I've been playing the whole time. I'm like that. Come on, though. I'll play.
So I have to give you a kiss?
You gotta give me a kiss if I win, right? If I win, you owe me a kiss. So go ahead and lose. Go ahead and lose. Oh hell nah, nigga. Oh, you got one? You got one? Oh, come on, baby. It's cool, man. I'll take this little bullshit. You hate on me? I thought you hate on me. Come on, give it to me, girl. Aw, bullshit. Boo.
Got that little streak right there.
I'm talking bullshit now a little bit. I mean, I got it. I'm like that for real. I'm an axe throwing nigga. I'm loud. Oh shit. Oh my God. I'm an axe throwing nigga, bro. Ain't gonna lie to y'all niggas. I'm like that. If I lose, I'm a sucker. Oh shit. Look at you. Look at you out here winning. Look at you trying to come back up. Fuck it up, baby. Fuck it up. Oh, does that really count though?
Yes, it does.
I don't play no more.
You can't. You're not even like losing.
I quit. I don't play no more.
You don't want to play no more?
I don't like shit, bro. Man, throw shit, bro. I love you. Oh, what the fuck?
See, look what you're
No. That was a bullshit.
No, that was
a mistake.
That was full of love.
That was a mistake.
That was all I see.
That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Oh my God, that was a mistake. I should have been one.
No.
Come here. Right on the line.
You can have this one.
Nah, hell no.
Yes.
Fair. Come on.
Please.
Yes,
That
man.
ain't fair.
You can win. You got opportunity to win. Yay, you missed it. Alright, y'all, look, you see Matt and Brand. I got 2 more to win, bro. I can do this. I can do this, y'all. You can do this, man. You can do this. One more, baby. Yes.
I'm not even handing it to you.
I know. Hey, yo, one more. Alright. What the fuck? Hold on. Alright, look. One more, and I win. But if I win, the odds of me getting some poom poom tonight, -1,000. But fuck it. My left hand go hard in the paint. That's all I need. Like my great grandma said, bet on red, not these hoes. Let's go. You see that? You see it? Oh. You fucking see that shit. Let's go. I'm nice, bro. Fucking nice. I'm the nigga, bro. Like, I just can't help but win the games, bro. And I'm so happy. I want to thank my moms. I want to thank my pops. I want to thank my side chicks. You feel me? Without y'all, nigga, without y'all, I would never won the game. You feel me? I would never won without y'all. So I want to thank all my side pieces. You feel me? All my little homies, all my fake friends. Thank y'all. You feel me? Because without y'all niggas, bro, without y'all hating on me, bro, I would never been successful in life. I would never been this guy in my life. Never been him. And she's salty now. You salty now. Salty. You salty now. Now you owe me a kiss, right? You owe me. I just won. You owe me a kiss. Yes, you owe me a kiss.
You cheated.
Yes. Ready?
Ready?
Ready? Come on. Give me a kiss. Come on.
All right. Got you.
Wow. 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 I don't care. I won. And I low-key kissed her though. So at the end of the day, I won. And it feels good to be a champion. And at the end of the day, I got a kiss, right?
Whenever I over rotated.
So you feel like you just overthrew it the whole time? Okay. You having fun?
No, because I didn't win.
I mean, sometimes life ain't about winning. It's
Yes,
about
it is.
it's about learning how to lose to
What
win.
you mean?
Life is about learning how to
Okay,
lose.
if that was the case, then why didn't you lose?
I'm not a loser. So,
Oh.
so you know, you can have a nightcap at my house if you want to come over there, you know what I mean? No? Alright. I get a kiss goodnight? No kiss either? I get a hug goodnight?
That's your kiss.
Winners hug and kiss goodnight.
Oh, winners hug and kiss.
Type shit. Really?
Really? Wow.
What? Come. Alright, man. Have a good night, bro. Alright, that's it, you feel me? Thank y'all for tuning in, you feel me? Make sure y'all like, subscribe to your boy ASAP, you feel me?